Hey guys, Mike Tierney here with Princess Auto. Welcome to Tech Tips with Mike T. We're talking about chargers, maintainers, and booster packs today. So our batteries in our vehicles need to be maintained. Sometimes they get a little weak, sometimes we're not using them all season, so we have equipment and lots of it for you to choose from when it comes to battery systems. We're going to talk a little bit about the chargers right now. So here we have a few samples of what we carry, whether it's a brand name like Schumacher or PowerFist or Norco, lots of different units to choose from. Really the key aspect is what is the size and type of battery that you're using. So if it's for automotive or if it's for the UTV side, Skidoo side, lawn tractor, or is it a big industrial units. Each of them will require a certain amount of amperage to operate and to maintain. So you select your charger by that amperage range. You can get into really small units down below here, like this little red Schumacher that's only a few amps. As we get larger, we need to charge heavier charges. We get into more of the digital platforms. The unit might have a selector switch. It might actually have a digital display down in, like this one right down in here. And you just hit the button and select. Some of them might be just as a little switch to turn on. So whatever it is you want that battery to be charged at, you just select it. As you get into a little bit more advanced features, some of them come with a start function. So you can actually hook that up to your vehicle battery and then hit the start, and it'll actually send a huge amount of energy to start your vehicle. So if you have a completely dead battery in the morning, you put that charger on, you hit the start function, and it surges it to help you start your vehicle. These are mid-range units, so these are great for your regular truck, car, SUV, UTVs, and all of that. If you need to start big farm equipment, well, we've got this big boy over here. So basically, it's a monster 500 amp unit that will start, tractor batteries, semi batteries, big shop use on these ones. And we have a few different models of these to choose from, depending on your requirements. It has a nice wheel around system because it is a relatively heavy unit. As we use our batteries for the season and then we put that equipment away, we need to maintain those batteries. So we have maintainers. So they're down below here. We have a unit here, basically a small unit here, and they just maintain a trickle charge through the battery while you're not using it, while your system isn't charging it. So you just plug them in, hook them up, set the charge on trickle, and you can basically walk away, and hopefully when you go to start it up again, your battery's in a really good state and it won't cost you more money to replace the batteries. We have a kind of a mid-range unit that is basically marine specific. So this is used typically on a boat application or marine application. It's a great charger for maintaining your batteries for your trolling motor / your fish finder, depth finder, all of your electronics. It's a deep cycle unit, and basically you can mount this on board, plug it in, charge up your system, and that will maintain your boat or marine applications. As we get over to some kind of like individual ones, we also have some that you can hang. So this DeWalt unit here can hang out of the way and basically is a little mini charger. We also have ones that can go on the walls. It just depends on your application and the amperage ranges you choose. Moving over to the booster packs. So these packs here are basically portable power. They have a lot of different options. We have a few versions of these. In this case, this is a DeWalt. We also have some Schumachers. Basically, this is a booster pack that can help start your vehicle or start a piece of equipment on a certain load. It also may have a compressor on board. So if you have a flat tire or you need to fill something up, it has a compressor. It has a series of lights in some cases. Some of them have lights so that you can see what you're doing in the dark. USB ports for charging up equipment that need USB. Some of them have a digital display. And basically, it's a great product to have if you're going out into the middle of nowhere, and it's a great product to keep you on the go and run even some tools off it. Well, that's it for Tech Tips with Mike T. We'll see you next time.